Good morning, children.
Morning, sir.
This morning we have English language. We want to study the vowels and the consonants. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Do you know the vowels?
No, sir.
What about the consonants?
No, sir.
All right. Let's start with the vowels. We have 5 vowels. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Again. A, E, I, O, U. That's good. Do you know the vowels now?
Yes.
Let somebody name them. Ushena, please name them for us.
A, E, I, O, U.
Clap for yourselves. That's good. That's good. We have 21 consonants. Let's name the consonants. The consonants are P, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Again. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's good. That's good. Clap for yourselves.